So we're back down in the basement today. We got some electrical supplies, got some wire, some boxes. And we're gonna start wiring up this room. See how it goes. So we finished up for today. We got all the new wires run. We still got these old temp lights up, but once we go to sheetrock and everything, we'll just pull all the wires out because it's all going away. There might be a junction box up above the suspended ceiling here, but that's fine just for wherever the power is coming in. I think it's all coming out of the smoke detector. So in theory, all we got to do is put a smoke detector out here, which there should be one anyway. Maybe not directly outside the basement door, but or the bathroom door I mean, but we got most of the wires run. We can't nail this box up. That's not where it's going. It's going to be out this way 2 inches. We got to further wall out to match that one because they built a 2x6 wall there. You can see the lolly column here is in the wall. We're going to further this out so it's one continuous wall, make it look nicer. So that box is going to be coming out. This box here, we could make this one up, but both of us just ran out of steam. There's gonna be, that's the light, the switch, that's the loop for the wafers for the vanity light. There's the shower light loop. We got the fan installed. We just gotta duct it out. There's an outlet over here. Switch for the laundry closet light. We still got to run a circuit in here for a heater. We're not sure exactly what we're doing for heat yet, and we got to run a circuit for the grinder pump. We ran out of 12.2. There's still some here. That's only like 30-ish, a little more feet, and it takes 60 feet to get back to the panel. So that's what this one here is. We're not going to run them back until we have all 3 of them. We just do it at once, make it a little easier. So like I said, we got to figure out what we're doing for heat. Get some more 12.2 and spend a little bit more time down here, but it's pretty close now. We just got to get the plumbing done and it's almost ready for sheetrock. We probably got to put a little bit of insulation in still, but like put it all back in this wall. And I don't know, maybe in that outside wall it would be good. All the outside walls, these are all outside walls. It'd be good to put some insulation in just for heating purposes. But I'd say that's about it for this one. I'm gonna go finish off the video I started recording last night, riding my jet ski. I shouldn't say riding my jet ski, I just put a new coil in it, and I'm gonna go test it out in the water, see if that fixes my problem. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.